The Message app is a must-have for iPhone users. Are you disappointed when you struggle to find important text messages but discover them lost? Whether it's due to accidental deletion or an iOS update, let's learn how to retrieve these deleted text messages. If you're using the iOS 16 or 17 version, here is how to recover your deleted text messages. Open your messages and tap Edit. The button may save filters if you have previously turned message filtering on. Tap Recently Deleted and choose the message conversations you want to restore. Then tap Recover. Or, you can simply download deleted messages in your iCloud. Please follow these steps. Head to the Settings page, click your account and iCloud. Find Messages and toggle it off. Then, in the pop-up window, choose Disable and Download Messages. Go back to Messages and check if deleted ones are back. If they are not restored, just try these steps one more time. If you have iTunes backup, it's also easy to recover your messages. Connect the iPhone and computer. Remember to turn off Find My iPhone. Go to iTunes and click Summary. Tap Restore Backup and Restore button in the pop-up window. Wait and switch back to your iPhone to check if deleted messages are retrieved. Then what if your text messages have been deleted for over 40 days? Worse still, you don't have any iCloud or iTunes backup. In such cases, try the FonePaw Data Recovery. With its help, you can recover different types of deleted files directly from iOS devices without any loss. Also, it offers preview and selective recovery options. Install and launch FonePaw Data Recovery. Plug your iPhone to the computer via cable. Click Trust this computer on your iPhone and enter the passcode. Once your device is detected, click on Recover from iOS device and start scan. After scanning, all data on your iPhone will be displayed by categories. Choose Messages to preview iPhone text messages and the messages. The deleted ones will be shown on the panel with a phone number, sent date, and message content. Tick on the deleted text messages that you need and tap the Recover button to retrieve them. Does this video help you? If you are looking for more mobile solutions, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.